For an easier operation, tilt the bike and rest it over the saddle and levers. The BB cover is flexible enough to be open as a door and to get access to the bottom bracket by untightening its two corresponding bolts at the BB area. Free the motor cable at the dropout by removing the clip and the rubber cover from the chainstay. With the BB cover loose, identify the battery to motor cable. Gently pull the motor cable and push the battery cable. Both connectors will exit from the chainstay. With both connectors out, disconnect both cables and remove the rear wheel. Hex 8 or 17 mil wrench will be needed. With the wheel out, repair the flat. To put the rear wheel back on the frame, keep the cable exiting from the top with the bike upside down. Place the washers and tighten the nuts. With the rear wheel fixed, connect again the two cables. The arrows help line up. Fully insert the jack until the line disappears. Now pull gently the cable from the BB opening to place the connectors inside the chainstay and place the cable excess inside the bottom bracket. Close the rubber cover. Put the rubber cover and the clip back on.